Welcome back to Beautyistic, where we explore products that not only care for your skin, but elevate your self-care rituals. If you've ever wished your body lotion could do more than just moisturize, OLLY's Renew Body Lotion-Serum might just be what you've been waiting for. It's an 8-ounce lotion serum hybrid designed to repair your skin barrier, hydrate deeply, and indulge your senses with a jasmine-bergamot fragrance. This lotion serum combines key active ingredients like retinol, vitamin D, and a blend of botanicals in OLLY's proprietary vitamin complex. It's lightweight, dermatologist-approved, and claims to nourish skin without leaving that sticky, heavy feel some lotions can have. What's particularly interesting here is the focus on mood-transforming scents. Jasmine and bergamot, developed with neuroscientists, intended to help you unwind and prep for bed while your skin restores itself overnight. Using this in my routine was quite seamless. The texture is silky but not greasy, absorbing quickly into the skin. I found that applying it after my evening shower left my skin feeling hydrated without any residue, which is perfect if you like slipping into pajamas right after. The fragrance is subtle yet calming, definitely a nice ritual if you're looking to create a relaxing bedtime routine. One small note is that the scent, while soothing, might be too floral for those sensitive to fragrance. I really appreciate the balance of ingredients. Retinol is a powerhouse for skin renewal, vitamin D supports overall skin health, and botanicals add nourishing antioxidants. It feels like a thoughtfully crafted formulation that targets hydration and repair, rather than just masking dryness. Pros are the lightweight texture, effective hydration, pleasant yet calming fragrance, and a formula that combines mood and skin benefits. Cons? The fragrance may not appeal to everyone, and at 8 ounces, heavier users may go through it fairly quickly. In terms of value, the price feels justified given the science-backed formulation and dual skin and mood benefits. If you're someone who already invests in retinol-based body care or enjoys self-care rituals that feel luxurious, this fits nicely. Comparatively, many body lotions with retinol are heavier or less focused on scent, so OLLY stands out for combining efficacy with an experience-driven approach. Packaging is solid and hygienic, the pump makes application easy, and the product has a sturdy shelf life. While I haven't personally interacted with customer service, OLLY generally has a solid reputation for support, which adds confidence when purchasing. For alternatives, if you're on a tighter budget but still want hydration and gentle renewal, there are body lotions with vitamin D or milder retinol blends. However, few offer the same combined skin and mood experience, which is really OLLY's unique angle. Overall, OLLY Renew Body Lotion-Serum delivers on hydration, barrier repair, and a sensory experience that makes bedtime feel a little more luxurious. I'd recommend it for anyone seeking a multitasking body lotion with scientifically driven ingredients and a calming fragrance to unwind at night. If this review is helpful to you, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you so much for watching Beautyistic. You can find the link to purchase OLLY Renew Body Lotion-Serum in the description box or comments. If you've already tried it, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.